boy driving super slow. Oh, he camera time.
There go right motherfucking there, nigga.
Okay.
I'm in the building in this motherfucker,
Okay.
nigga. Find one hard in this
Pop that
motherfucker.
shit.
Pussy, nigga.
Pop that
What
shit.
you talking about, nigga?
Pop your shit.
AC on the right, nigga.
Okay. Y'all heard that man say it?
What you talking about?
Stop playing with him.
Filter, nigga.
Stop playing
Ain't
with him.
no Photoshop here, nigga.
Stop playing.
King in this motherfucker.
Stop playing with him. Stop playing with him.
What you doing this bitch, nigga?
Yes, sir.
What they thought this was?
Yes, sir.
Look, yeah, it's all, nigga. Bring me that motherfucker.
AC work. AC work.
What's up with this motherfucker, nigga? Let me fight this bitch.
Okay. And the hood closed.
What they thought this was?
Okay.
What they thought this was?
Okay.
What? I ain't got nothing on this bitch.
Get that man the trophy now.
That's LX Fox in this hoe, nigga.
Get that man the trophy
If you
now.
find one fucking with those pussy, nigga,
Stop
why
playing.
I'm working, nigga?
Pop your shit. Yes, sir. That's that energy we need right there. That's that energy we need right there. Yes. Okay. Top 5. Stop playing. Top 5.
I can barely eat a meal without you. In my chest trying to act mad like I can live without you. Shots of tequila, I've been drinking out here clubbing hard. I got your missus reinsurance, she sucked the chubby hard. Ain't never stank and watch.
Trying to stuff by my ox and it's down swishy. You must ain't heard the
Sit down, my boy. On the back row. Got that thing sideways. That boy greasy. Come on, my guy. Yes, boys. Riding classics. That's what I'm talking about. Ride that mug. I don't care if it ain't clean. Ride it. They crank up, drive it.
I tried to make my friend night. He had a 52 months ago. I tried to tell him not to do it. Like, I said, man, you ain't gonna get shit at class before.
Right.
That's what you got on the street for.
Exactly. You know it. You already know it. Yeah.
Ain't get much of shit.
You told him right. Hey, he's talking over it. He's talking over the music. Wait.
What up, man?
Hey, man, don't put that goddamn window up. Oh, my God. That window down.
Oh, Lord, there they go.
Trucker girl coming through. She really do drive trucks. Okay, got big bears on thing. Yeah, he over there.
Ain't got a spot, buddy.
9-inch lip. Danny didn't come to play. Where the heck your tag at, Donnie? You in Clayton County without no tag? Stop playing.
And it's still early.
That's the crazy part, you know what I'm saying? It's still early. Yeah. So they was already getting mad because they was like, dang, y'all blocking us in. Like, y'all should have known that before you parked right there in them spots.
Yeah.
You gonna be finna get blocked in.
You gonna get blocked.
Yeah, you gonna get blocked in. Unless you ain't got no front spot,
Yeah.
you finna get blocked in.
Gonna be blocked in. Yeah.
Yeah.
They tripping on that.
Yeah. Exactly. He sound good though. Georgia car.
Yeah.
They're hot as hell out here, but they ain't hot. That bird right on that thing. Crazy, man. Look at that. I need a goddamn drone. You ain't got your drone? Burgundy and gold. Female? Okay. Okay. Ride clean like that. Hey, you fucking the game up by itself. Yeah. Then Nova. Damn, my hip's killing me, boy. Can't that walk? Nah, I did. Play ball, like forever injury. Whatever, you pop up whenever. I wanna get the outside shit. Anyway, now we get the rolling footage.
Yeah. How you doing?
Hardly, barely. Oh, they go, great. They go Satchmo right there. And their wife, the OBS. Yeah. Shit. Niggas everywhere. While you're fucking them up with this one here. Did they claim? Satchmo!
Try to get up in here.
She a turn right there. Turn around. Got this motherfucker out here ready.
Y'all still trying to get us in this line right
Ready.
Oh, he finna give me some action shots. You feel me? He finna give me an action shot. Huey, this motherfucker. Hit that Huey. We stop trapping. We stop trapping Huey. Block that. Right there. Stop him. Hold on. Woo. Which one it is right there?
What? The new one, the 5.
Oh, the 5. Okay.
What are you doing?
Yeah, he been pulling there. There we go, Miss Pretty. Whip that thing. Whip. Whip. As you should. In a big truck. Hey, it's hard. Urban and White killing it. Killing it. Yeah, it's crazy. Damn. Everybody done jumped in front of you. Hey, I give you time to roll up. Come on, my guy. Hey, man, I need some action. You get a little tires rolling. A little tire rolling. Okay. Appreciate it. Two of them yellow motherfuckers back to back. That's crazy right there. What that, 500,000? 500,000 right there, back to back. Two of them. What that, bowling ball? It's hard there. Hard up. Nipping it down. Belly up around. A walking bucket. Go crazy. Back to back. Go crazy right there. You gotta keep them belly up back to back, man. No jumping. Oh shit, goddamn motor motherfucker. Oh, that pro ride done. You gotta keep them belly up back to back. Stop playing. No jumping. Can't jump. Nigga down there. Oh man, slow down there. Slow that horse on down. Let me catch that footage.
Dang good.
Yep, got that dang queen. regular Bel Air right here. Not the regular Bel Air.
To the ride out, right? Slow that horse down. Slow it on down.
Okay. But they're clean. All black everything. Come on, they go crazy right there. There's another one in there. Got the red. Yeah, they're clean right here, all black. Yeah. Okay. Let's get some action. Let's get some action going. I hear you.
305 right here, bro.
Hey. They clean right here. They clean right there. Hey, they were all action there. Motherfucker still coming. Still coming. Ain't right there. Now you got an LS.